Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jay in Idaho on his new Galaxy dx2517. Jay, we went ahead and done this one up for you tonight so we could get it on the big road for you, headed your way. It's going to be a long trip to Idaho from Kentucky. Just want to show you real quick what you're going to have when it gets to you. Start with the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug as usual. Half-watt carrier. Five watts all the way up. Spin her down here. I'll show you a little RMS action here. Low audio. A good 20 watts RMS. Go to the peak side. Low audio. 44 watts peak. Alright, my friend. I hope you enjoy it. It's ready to come to the Potato State, home of BBI. We thank you, my friend, from truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.